Chapter 6 Introduction to HTML. In the chapter, What is HTML? HTML editors, tag attributes. HTML tags, basic tags. Creating and saving HTML. Document. Editing HTML document. Viewing HTML document. Other useful tags. You already know how to use the Internet. While surfing on the Internet, you must have visited various websites. How colorful and nicely designed these websites are! Each screen displayed on a website is called a web page. A website is a collection of many web pages in the same way as a notebook has many pages. Any website or web page can be visited using the web browser software such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera Safari, etc. Let us now learn how to create a web page. To design a web page, you need to learn a new language called HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the language that is understood by a web browser for composing text and images, still as well as animated, for a web page. HTML is basically a building block for web pages. It is a format that tells a computer how to display a web page. HTML editor. You must be wondering which software is used to write the HTML code for designing web pages. It is only a simple text editor like the Notepad, where we type the HTML code and link it to the web browser by the following simple steps. 1. Click on Start, All Programs, Accessories, Notepad. 2. Type the HTML code or program in the Notepad window. 3. Click on File, Save to save the file. If you simply type the file name in the Save As dialog box and press the Save button, the computer will save it as a Notepad file with a file extension of .txt. However, you want it to be saved as a web page, so save the file by giving the file extension as HTML or HTM. Fact box. The file extension of a web page file is .html or .htm. For example, first.html, intro.htm, etc. HTML tags. A web page is made up of several elements such as the title of the page, headings in the page, like in a newspaper, written text, paragraphs, images, etc. Each element is defined by an HTML tag. An HTML tag is nothing but a label added to the text that is to be shown on the web page. These labels or tags tell the web browser where a particular text is to be displayed and how it is to be displayed. HTML tags are always enclosed in angle brackets, that is, angle brackets. No more. Although MS Word is also a word processing software, it is generally not used to create web pages. This is because of the heavy size of the file that is created by MS Word. So, avoid using MS Word for creating web pages. Fact box. Although HTML tags are not case sensitive, this means that title in lowercase is the same as title in uppercase. Lowercase is preferred at the time of coding. There are two types of HTML tags: container tag, empty tag. Container tag. HTML tags that are generally used in pairs are called container tags, as these tags are written with some text between the first and the second tag. The first tag is called start tag or on tag, and the second tag is called the end tag or off tag. The end tag is created by simply placing a / in front of the start tag. Examples of container tags are start tag, end tag, title, / title. Empty tag. Empty tags are those that do not need an end tag. They are not used in pairs and are represented only by a start tag or on tag. Examples of empty tags are the line break tag BR and the horizontal ruler tag HR. Nested tags. You can start using another tag without closing the first tag. This means that one tag can contain other tags also. Such tags are known as nested tags. You must remember that when you start closing such tags, the tag that has been opened last should be closed first. It is not important which tag is opened first, but it is very important which tag should be closed first. For example, body H1. This is not a proper way to close nested tags. /p /body /h1. Body H1. This is the proper way to close nested tags. /h1 /p /body. Tag attributes. Attributes can be added to HTML tags. An attribute is defined as an additional feature that can be added to the HTML elements on your web page. For example, by using align is equal to right attribute, you can align your text to the right side of your web page. The tag tells the web browser what to do, and the attribute tells the browser how to do it. Fact box. Every tag cannot take every attribute. Basic HTML tags. HTML. The HTML tag is used to tell the browser that the text contained between HTML and /HTML is a web page and can be viewed in a web browser. Every web page coding must start with HTML and end with /HTML. The HTML tag is a container tag. Basic HTML tags. Head. The head tag is used to define the header area of your web page. The information given in head tag tells the computer that this information is not to be shown on the web page. It is a container tag used in pair as head and /head. Every web page coding must have its header specified. Title. The title tag is used to tell the browser that text contained between title and /title is the text that does not form part of the web page. It will be shown on the title bar or the title tab of your web browser. The use of title tag is not mandatory. If you do not want to give title to your web page, your web browser will show the file name and its path as title of your web page. Body. The body tag is used to tell the web browser that the text contained between body and /body tags is to be shown on the web page. It is also a container tag. The body tag can be used with the following attributes. Body. BG color. Text. BG color. This attribute allows you to define a color for the background of your web page. It can be used as under body BG color is equal to red. Text. This attribute allows you to define a color for the text of your web page. It can be used as under body text is equal to blue. You can use more than one attributes simultaneously. For example, body BG color is equal to red, text is equal to white. Smart tip. HTML understands only 16 colors by name. These are aqua, black, blue, fuchsia, gray, green, lime, maroon, navy, olive, purple, red, silver, teal, white, and yellow. The remaining colors need to be specified by their RGB values in hexadecimal notation. For example, the RGB code for orange color is #EE9900. In this code, EE, 99 and 00 show how much red, green and blue colors respectively are to be mixed. You can try other combinations of red, green and blue colors with values from 0 to 9, A, B, C, D, E, F to define new colors, where A to F represent 10 to 15 respectively. Creating and saving HTML document. To start designing a web page using the basic tags, follow the steps. 1. Open Notepad and write the HTML code. 2. Click on the File menu. 3. Click on Save to open the Save As dialog box. 4. Locate the path in drives available where the file has to be saved. 5. In the file name box, type the name of the file created. Here, 1.html. 6. Click and select all files from the Save As type list. 7. Click on the Save button to save your file. Smart tip: you can directly open the Save As dialog box by pressing Ctrl plus S keys after step 1. Editing HTML document. To make changes in your HTML document, follow the steps. 1. Locate your file in Windows Explorer window. 2. Right-click on the file icon to open the right-click menu. 3. Hover the mouse pointer over the Open With option to open a sub-menu. 4. Click and select Notepad. This will open your HTML document in Notepad so that you can make changes in the file and save accordingly. Viewing HTML document. To view your web page, follow the steps shown below. Locate the file in Windows Explorer. Double-click on the file icon. A window like this will appear on your monitor. Other useful tags. Heading. In this chapter, you must have observed that there are various headings and subheadings. These subheadings sometimes have their own further subheadings. All these are known as levels of headings. The heading tag is used to give similar effect to your web page. It is a container tag with a start tag and an end tag. HTML can define up to 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. H1 is the first and the largest level of heading, and H6 is the last and the smallest level of heading, subheading. The code to define level of heading and its effect on web page are shown here. A. Code. B. Output. The heading tag can be used with the Align attribute. Align. This attribute allows you to align your heading to left side, center, or right side of your web page. The use and output of this attribute is shown here. A. Code. B. Output. Paragraph. The paragraph tag, written as P, is used to define start and end of a paragraph in the text. It is both a container as well as an empty tag. This means that whenever you want to start a new paragraph, you can start the paragraph text using P without closing the previous paragraph tag. In order to avoid confusion, it is advised to use this tag as a container tag starting with P and ending with /P. The paragraph tag automatically inserts a blank line between two paragraphs. The paragraph text can be used with the Align attribute. Align. This attribute allows you to align text of your paragraph to left side, center, or right side of your web page. The use and output of this attribute is shown here. A. Code. B. Output. Line break. The line break tag, written as BR, is used when you want to start a new line but do not want to start a new paragraph. This means that you want your text to come in the next line without leaving a blank line in between. This tag forces a line break wherever you place it. It is an empty tag. The code and output of this tag is shown here. A. Code. B. Output. Horizontal ruler. The horizontal ruler tag, written as HR, is used when you want to divide your web page into different sections. It is also used when you want to draw a horizontal line between two paragraphs or any two text contents. It is an empty tag and does not need an end tag to tell web browser where it ends. It gives a horizontal ruler line on the web page, and then the following element will be shown in the next line after the ruler. A. Code. B. Output. Bold. The bold tag, written as B, is used to give bold effect to your text. It makes the text darker from normal text. You need to tell the web browser when to start using the bold effect and where to stop using the bold effect. It is a container tag and used in pair as B and /B. A. Code. B. Output. Italic. The italic tag, written as I, is used to give italic effect to your text. It makes the text look slanting and lighter from the normal text. You need to tell the web browser when to start using the italic effect and where to stop using the italic effect. It is also a container tag and used in pair as I and /I. A. Code. B. Output. Underline. The underline tag, written as U, is used to underline your text. It puts a line under the text. You need to tell the web browser when to start underlining and where to stop underlining the text. It is also a container tag and used in pair as U and /U. The use of bold, italic, and underline tags with output is shown here. A. Code. B. Output. Components of a web browser window. The web page of the code written in the activity in the lab section will look similar like this. The browser window will show all the effects given in the HTML code for the web page. A. Text entered using title tag, that is, title. B. Text entered using body tag with its attributes, that is, body BG color is equal to yellow, text is equal to blue. C. Text entered using Level 1 heading tag, that is H1. Text entered using Level 2 heading tag, that is H2. E. Text entered using Level 3 heading tag, that is H3. F. Text entered using Level 4 heading tag, that is H4. G. Text entered using Level 5 heading tag, that is H5. H. Text entered using paragraph tag, that is P. I. Text entered using bold tag, that is B. J. Text entered using italic tag, that is I. K. Text entered using underline tag, that is U. L. Use of horizontal ruler tag, that is HR. M. Text entered using center alignment attribute, that is align is equal to center. N. Text entered using right alignment attribute, that is align is equal to right. O. Use of background color attribute, that is body BG color is equal to yellow. P. Use of text attribute, that is body text is equal to blue.